Hello, I'm having a pastry, as you can see. It looks like a football, but it's filled with chocolate. It's pretty great. Anyway, I'm back at Jan's place. This is not actually Jan. Maybe you remember 2 videos ago we were planning a kitchen, and it's done now. Look at how beautiful it is. Pretty nice. All my genius planning, and I think Jan is also pretty happy. I think he's in bed here. Ta-da! So Jan, how long have we been knowing each other?
I actually don't know.
I think it's somewhere around about 8 years or something. It's a pretty long time now.
Way too
and for all these 8 years, Jan had a dog-shaped hole in his heart. And today we are going to help with this problem. We are going to look for a
Well,
puppy.
we're gonna go and have a look.
Yes,
I'm not getting a dog
there
yet.
will be probably no puppy shopping, but there will be puppy looking, right?
Who knows? I had a dream tonight.
And what kind of dog is it?
It's a mini Dachshund.
It's pretty cute. We just took pictures on the internet.
Mini Dachshund.
Is
I
it
don't know how
Dachshund?
it's called.
I don't know. We'll find it out.
It's a Dacke.
Dacke.
A mini Dacke.
Anyway, Jan really loves dogs. Anytime someone walks by with a dog, he gets like heart-shaped eyes, and people are like, "Who is this crazy person? Just get away from my dog!" So yeah, hopefully we'll fix it today. We're going to rent a car now, and then we'll be on our way. So we're taking a short break at the best restaurant in the world. We're sparing no money today. So we just had a healthy meal, and next stop is Dogtown. Woo! So we just arrived. It's kind of the end of the world, but it's actually a really nice landscape here. Jan can hardly wait to see his little doggy dog, and probably I'll just record with my iPhone in there because I don't want to scare off the dogs, or actually the owner of the dog with my huge camera here. So we just left the premises. The dogs are very cute, I have to say. Obviously. What do you think? Or what's the verdict?
I don't know. I think I wanna keep it.
There's one really cute puppy. It looks like a cow. It's a black and white one. It will be the one you decided for, right?
I think so. Yes.
Okay.
It's a boy.
Okay. It's a boy.
And
We don't have a name yet.
No.
Which
This will take weeks.
it will be a fight. I already have a very good name, which Jan does not agree with.
I'm not hating on it, but I'm not sure if that's the name of the dog.
So you're getting some money now, and then so you're taking it for sure, right?
I don't know. It just seems like such a huge decision, but
It was very stressful in there because they were like
millions of
15 or
animals and the
16
baby.
different animals, because there were dogs, there were cats, there was a baby who could not touch the cute
Yeah,
dogs. It
and
was, all the
guinea
time
pigs.
it was like, please mom, let me touch the dogs, let me touch the dog. And she was like, no, the cute dogs have to stay away from the cute baby.
Yeah, that's a pretty crazy household, but they were really nice.
Yeah, they were nice. So yeah, we are making a decision now. You'll find out what it is, and yeah, we will talk it through.
Wait, let me do this.
So we're on the way back, and Luke is with me. I think we'll call him Linus.
That's what he said. I'm
Yeah.
not sure about that.
Jan is not too happy with that name, but I think there's no other way to do this now because I've already decided. Look at him. Oh yeah, take a selfie. So we have just arrived. We're in Jan's, basically backyard. He's super happy with his little dog here.
He's so shy.
Yeah, he's a bit shy still. But he's home, he'll get used to it. Look. Oh. So Jan is out to get some dog food. And he left me alone to take care of this beautiful creature of nature. And I have no idea what to do with dogs. So it's the end of an exciting day. My voice is gone again. There seems to be a pattern here. The dog is asleep, Linus. Jan is super happy. I'm happy. I'm going home now. If you like this video, leave a like. Subscribe to this marvelous channel. I'll link Jan's Instagram and YouTube in the description below. And oh yeah, you can also leave a comment. Don't forget about that. And yeah, see you next time.